Hello! In the last video, I removed the rotors off this car. When I did that, when I took the wheels off, one stud, which I marked is this one, the threads are a little messed up. Lug nut should spin on fairly easy. This one, binding up. So I'm left with four options to deal with it. Do I replace the stud? Do I forget about it? When I put the wheel on, do I send it? Or do I rethread it? Stay tuned and see what I did. So the decision I chose, I bought more stuff. I helped out a buddy the other day. He had a Snap-on rethreading or chaser kit. I liked it, and so I did the normal thing. I went on Amazon and found the cheapest version possible. So this is a 49-piece rethread or restore kit, chaser kit. There was a kit that was a little bit cheaper, and it looked pretty much identical to the Snap-on, like the same color theme, everything. I went for the $3 more, so it would come with an extra file. My initial reactions, we'll see how this is. Fit and finish, like the finish work on some of the stuff, some of them are a little rough, but overall, we'll see how it works. A couple things I did check, like this file, it will work. Not sure if you can see on camera, but it does come with a factory curve in it, a little warp in it. Not a big deal. The other files, running my hand across, there's some spots where I will have to grind or polish down some ends where they're just a little rough. I have no idea what the Snap-on kit costs. However, this one was to my door $70 Canadian. So I can't complain about that. One last thing I can complain about as well. I did do something a little different with my videos, so my audio should improve. I can stay near the item. I can walk away. Right now I'm 20 feet away. Still sounds the same. Don't have to do the near and far like Grover on Sesame Street. Anyway, so I'm trying a new mic setup. See how everybody likes it. I know I like it so far. So this kit will. What we'll do is we have to use it twice. We have to use the die for going over the wheel stud and one of these for doing the lug nut itself. Let's do the lug nut first. It's an M12 by 1.5. I did find it on the kit, which is this one right here. We'll put a little some lubricant. So this one was snagging on the other studs as well. I did try it. So there is some damage inside. Okay, it's threading easy enough. Okay, took a little shaving off. Where's the bubble? Oh, it's just bubbles coming out. So ease of use. I'm not feeling a whole lot of resistance. Okay. Okay, let's go check it on the car. So here's an undamaged one. Okay, this was a good lug nut. Here's the one we just chased. A little tight. Could be debris on it. I'll run the chase through a couple more times. But we'll do this one now. Resistance, very minimal. I like that. Because if you throw like a tap and die set on it, you're gonna remove metal, and I don't really want to remove metal. Just want to move it around a little. So let's try one of the good lug nuts on it. It's a little tight as well still. Let's try. So this was the rethreaded, and this is the rethreaded. Okay, now they spin on fine. Mostly fine. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna do it a couple more times, and we'll do that off camera, and we'll chat in a second. Now, off camera, I ran the die on this 3 times, and I ran the tap on this 3 times. Then I cleaned it with a parts cleaner. There we go. That's what I wanted. So I'm going to call that a success. Did the kit work? Certainly did. So I'm impressed with it. Impressed enough because I don't have to change a wheel stud, and I don't have to buy a lug nut. I'll add this to my toolbox, and I'm sure I'll use it many times. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.